For millions of years, Mauritius was isolated, a floating world of safety. No giant hunters, no stalking claws, no predators waiting in the shadows. And so, the dodo lived without fear. It did not need to fly. It did not need to run. It simply existed. Its strength was peace. The dodo was not foolish. It was not clumsy, nor weak. It was perfectly adapted to the world it lived in. Its powerful beak crushed hard fruit. Its sturdy legs moved it steadily through thick forest. And in this gentle ecosystem, it thrived. The dodo played a vital role, spreading seeds and shaping the forest around it. It was part of the heartbeat of this island. But the world beyond Mauritius was changing. Exploration, ambition, hunger. And one day, the outside world arrived. For the first time, predators came to paradise. The dodo did not know danger. It did not understand cruelty. So when humans came, it walked toward them, instead of away. What made the dodo remarkable became the reason it disappeared, not because it was foolish, but because the world changed faster than it could. By the late 1600s, it was over. The forests fell silent, and a species that had trusted the world was gone. But the dodo did not vanish for nothing. Its story changed how humanity sees extinction. It became a symbol, a reminder that our actions shape worlds, that what we destroy cannot always be brought back. The dodo teaches us empathy, responsibility, and the truth that kindness toward nature matters more than we realize. The dodo was never a joke, never a mistake of evolution. It was a masterpiece, created for a peaceful world, until that peace was broken. This was the forgotten wild.